commission, and they do things that the way it's supposed to be. For time when we say nothing, we say, yes, but they do have assembly, they do some kind of things like that. We say one of the members, just make you go on suspension and all that, make you go suspension for some time, 90 days if I'm not mistaken. Let's make you go, and some matters won't come out and all that. Ever since they try to bring and come and make you come talk to us, but today I tell you, say they with us now. So we ask her what really happened and all that. You get with us here, the member when we say they represent Ovia Southwest constituency for the Edo State House Assembly. Godwin and Denomo. Welcome to our program.
Good to see you, my brother.
Yeah, I know it's not grammar they speak for that place, so here we speak grammar. So,
okay.
So you can bring a down and the rest. We'll be expect somebody when we say yes, he will join us from the Edo State House Assembly. Monday Osaigbo, I'm the chief whip of the house, but to know day today. But we know say yes, how the program will work out. We'll get in touch with the majority leader of the house. Yes, Roland Asoro, make you put man for this matter on phone. We will get a big matter now. We want to discuss when it concerns the House of Assembly and when it concerns laws. That when we see yes, they with us and how we will get better Edo State, better Nigeria, and better world. I don't know, God, make I ask you. The House of Assembly said they suspend you for 90 days and all that because you don't follow the rules of the house. They get rules of this house. Why you go decide not to follow rules? Because anyway, on this person, they follow rules. Rules they are supposed to come work here by 7 o'clock. I'm not coming by 7 o'clock. My man go do me what you say they don't like. What you say I don't go like.
My brother, you see, now true you talk. Say where person they go follow the rules. But the rules when they our house, I follow all to the letter. You see, when they swear me in, if you want me, I start the genesis, waiting because the whole matter.
That one will take us some time.
If it take time. But me, I start from where, you know, you go fit understand. When Supreme Court declared me winner on the 8th of December last year, problem constant day to swear me in. I can't still go back to Abuja, go to the Supreme Court, say, then see no one swear me in. No. Those ones come now carry the documents where they see me, I can't bring them. I still bring the documents, they're the full drag. Now I can't go court, say, court, these people don't want to swear me in. No. What did happen? We can't do what they call Form 48. When we do the Form 48, that one to commit the person where no one will obey court order to prison before they can swear me in for December.
Okay.
When you swear me in for December, my brother, I'm not supposed to come ask you, say, where my benefits.
Okay.
It's supposed to come automatic. Because now constituency now they represent.
Your benefit, don't they give salary at the end of the month? I've been waiting, they try to talk about the benefits when we say this.
My benefits, when we start, salary not come. My car, I not get. My 28 days, I not get. My housing allowance, I not get. Committee, they not agree with me. And they elect me the constitution. Waiting if we elect House of Assembly member, the first assignment when he get to do, not to perform oversight function.
Okay.
If you not put me for committee, not because I didn't know if you don't like my face. In the first instance, you deprive the people of my constituency who vote me
of your Southwest
from performing the oversight function where constitution say, may I go to do there. They not put me for committee. They not give me. It get to a point. I go meet them, say, I know the laws, you supposed to give me a new car. Even if you not give me a new car, give me the old one when the person when I replace
they
used before. I go take. But make I just get sense of belonging. They say, me I go meet Peter, me I go meet Paul. My knee, one court when I take beg everybody. Now, when I see them say this thing, they go like that, I say, I have to document this thing. On the 19th of February, now I can officially write the speaker with my letter heading, which the letter they here now.
Your personal letter heading?
My personal letter heading. Okay. I can write the speaker, following the rules now. And I say, Speaker, see all these benefits when they deny me. No one pay me my benefit. I don't feel they wear suit every day, because they speak English for television, they do my job. My constituency will come, they don't know. I see they do everything, they take care of them. And I know they get all these benefits.
But the rules of the House, you're supposed to petition Mr. Speaker, you go bring your matter, come man, to make you discuss the matter and all that.
Okay.
Or maybe executive session, or maybe you go meet a professor office. Then I say, see the kind of issue when we say you get. Why you not do that one? We say yes, you go decide to
I do all.
petition.
I not be petition, I do all.
Okay.
All the members within that house, I don't even go, no one where I not talk to, no one where I not beg, say I beg, help me talk for this matter. Nobody there will not know what they happen. I don't meet speaker for house, I don't meet them severally, I don't meet leaders, beg everybody. Now I come write down, make the TT paper say, I write to see what they happen. No. As I write, he no reply. Since December, if now what is somebody want to do, since December, they don't reach way, therefore don't give me my benefits. Just 2 months ago, now the salary can't enter.
After they pay your salary.
Now they can't pay my salary 2 months ago, since when I enter.
But the ones that this is the owe you before they clear all of them.
No, they not pay nothing. They not pay. So now my lawyer can't write them. Say, my client say, he write to now. Say, make una pay me benefits.
I remember say for this thing, they talk say they allow their matter they pass there. Why you go decide to go meet lawyer, make lawyer right? When we say why you not look for that side internally, say this is a family matter, make we settle. At least you know the political party when we say remember the ruling political party, and you know member of the majority. You understand the majority party when we say they for the house. So why you not use internal mechanism? Instead of to go they draw the people, say make lawyer they write the House of Assembly.
Now I explain to you now. I don't meet everybody where I supposed to meet for party. I don't meet everybody where I supposed to meet for the state. Not be once, not be twice. When I don't go round, go beg people, say, I beg. Speaker, I don't meet them. I don't meet them severally. Waiting I explain to you, be say, if now waiting person will do, it's not supposed to take this long. Because not be something when I supposed to ask, not something we supposed just come. Like that. So when people come, they put hand, my hands are tied. And you see, what people don't understand, we say, we are tenured. If I don't ask for all these benefits now, when the tenure over,
they go hard.
You don't enter voicemail. Okay. You understand? So now I write letter officially, go meet speaker, say, see what thing I they discuss with you. Make you pay me all these things. Now, when I write nothing, you have to understand, say, I not just come like every other person. You know if you separate my lawyer from this issue. Because I come through court. You understand? Through the Supreme Court. So if you not do what you're supposed to do to respect the law, the Supreme Court law, I don't office sit down there just they go every day. I don't talk, make I go they fight. I don't feel they fight. So now I make my lawyer write, say, Speaker, my client say, una never they pay on this, una not they pay on that, not they pay on that. What is supposed to cause quarrel for that one? If I write, say, okay, they owe me 10 billion. Now for you to write to tell me, say, no, not be 10 billion will they owe you. Now 7 billion will they owe you.
Okay, I want to get one thing clear here. You meet the party hierarchy. I want to make you elaborate on that one more. I know you mentioned leaders just now. You meet the people when we say they're in charge of the party, tell them, say, yes, see the problem when we say they get, or issues when we say they rise up for the House of Assembly when it concerns you. I
say, this is the third time when I talk and I say, there's nobody
when they say no meet.
When I don't meet. I say not be once, not be twice.
Okay, more come back home to the one we say consign. Because we wake up one day, we stand for House of Assembly, and say you have to suspend it and the rest. So that one I can't take us, go back and all that. And we hear say before they suspend you, they call you, make you appear before a panel. Because some allegations they will see they raise up against you that that's why you can't appear before panel. You refuse to go to the panel. And because you refuse to go to the panel, that one make one say yes, they suspend you. What do you want to talk about that one?
Okay, that one not be true. You see, that morning when I go house, me no even know say the plan they ground say see they what they want to do. When I reach house, as God would have it, now I tell speaker for speaker office say, Speaker, I get emergency. But me I just go show face. And they take excuse, say, I want to go take care of my sick mother. You know, every time you say, see what in the ground. Now I can't go to the house. You know, the television clip deal now they cover the house. If you go play the clip. So when I reach the house, as soon as they do roll call, now I get up. Since I don't tell speaker for your office, say, I just want to show face. So now I get up, say, I signal and say, I go as I talk. I don dey reach gate, now he call me back. He say, no, I no fit go. Petition dey for my name. Now, I say, petition for my name, me? I no write any petition now. Now I go meet am. I waka go meet am. They say, which petition I write? He say, no, he say, letter wey my lawyer write come. Now I say, letter wey my lawyer write come give you. You don't reply the letter now. Which one you come still dey carry and come here again?
Okay, don't reply the letter before.
See the letter where you take reply am. You don't reply the letter already to my lawyer. Because a personal letter to Ram, you don't already reply am as a personal letter. Which one you going to carry and come
The floor of the house.
You know, and in the first instance, I tell you, say I get emergency when I want go attend to. This thing, I said this whole thing, they surprised me. What did it happen? And I begin read the letter. You know, because
on the floor of the house.
On the floor of the house.
Okay.
You know, that house where we talk, so we get rules like you talk now. We get rules. See the book. If you say you want to read petition on behalf of a member, that member will sign up, and that member now go introduce her for floor. Now we call petition for house to follow the rules.
So, but this is not a petition against you, now against the member, according to Rahman.
Not be petition. Okay. I not write any petition.
Okay.
You understand? So now I can't come out. When they say I don't come out, I can't get test. Say that time I don't carry my sick mom. Me not know say that what they want to be that. Me don't the road. I don't come out for the premises. I left there at about 11:30 or so. As I don't come out, I can't see test for my distance. Say me I come by 12. And by 11:45 I say yeah. What did it happen? Now I sent test go meet the guy. Say I not say I get emergency. I don't already come out. No, there's no way I fit come back
within 15 minutes.
Within 15 minutes, come meet una by 12. I beg make una reschedule. So because now village I dey go, you know, not be something when I just make up. You know, you were aware. I told you even before you go plenary. So now I can come out. Then when in the morning now, I can write the letter. The letters they here, which they received even before the sitting. I can write the letter, say, I know if they are around, I beg, more than reschedule this thing so that I will come. Because they were in a hurry to do whatever they want to do, they say na 24 hours. They go do a suspension. In the first instance, by our rules and by the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, at the talk and now, say speaker not get right to suspend member who they elect.
Now the rules, where is there for the rules?
See the rules, our rules, rules 38 for our rules for the house. Even though these rules is subordinate to the Constitution of the country, which means anything within these rules, if they repugnant to the Constitution, now the Constitution I go take
if the Constitution own big person, it own power heavy part this one.
If the Constitution talk one thing, this one talk another thing. Now what the Constitution talk, now we go follow. Constitution say you no get right to suspend member because not be the member face. Now the constituency now people. Now a letter say go represent us.
Yeah, you talk for that place.
Here now these are our rules now.
They hear them because
these are our rules. These are our rules here. Rules for 38. Rules 38 here, it talk and say, for you to suspend a member, it must be an act where the member do during plenary for that hall.
Okay.
Now, the rules 38 still talk and say, what the member will do be say, if the member stand up, they talk. Mr. Speaker say, sit down. You know, sit down. The rules talk and say repeatedly. That means speaker will tell us, say, sit down. I overrule you. Sit down, overrule you. The member no agree. You no agree, sit down. Then you feel suspended for that sitting alone. Okay. You feel tell us, say, okay, make it leave for just that, only that day and only that sitting.
But the rules talk and say if a member get issued, they send them before committee. Committee recommend. Committee no feel recommend. Say yes, the man should go home for 90 days.
If you look at the committee, even if you look committee here, rules say 7 working days. At least that committee get to pass any.
Okay, before they pass
anything. And this one no warrant even setting up committee at all. Okay. Because in the first instance, I'm not there unruly for the floor of the house. I'm not commit any offense for the floor of the house. You know, if you come in and say maybe because I'm a house member, My wife say me I give her money to cook. I not give her. You just go introduce her for floor of the house. Anything will happen. Or maybe I go meet speaker. I write a letter, say speaker. This. You just cannot come house. And between the two of us, you just cannot come house because they let you as a speaker. We are co-equals. Okay. You are just first among equals. You understand? So you don't get right. When this thing finish now, you go clear, say, the speaker not get right. Because this fight where they fight, not be only for me. Now for everybody. You know, get it talk and clear, make everybody understand. Say, speaker not get right to suspend anybody past that sitting. Unless even if for you to suspend, I go be waiting the person.
But the National Assembly, now where they gather from and the rest of the day, suspend somebody the other day.
Okay. You see, and when you suspend them, you know, see what the court talk. Court say, first of all, you don't get right to suspend that man. Court can say, even if you get right, according to your rules, now for 14 days. Okay. It is our own now. Now the same constitution where the judge referred to. So you don't get right. But even if you get right, according to our rules, now for only that city. Okay. Now it be our rules. Now the court talk for now it be our own rules too. So even if the speaker get right to suspend member, now for only the only provision where they here for suspension
of member. Right.
Now when you remove speaker and deputy by way of impeachment. Okay. Now they talk about this is now our Bible, the way we follow. You understand? So all those ones where my brothers go where their house go, they do say they suspend me this and that. I believe say now overreact.
Okay, no problem. We go get we go put call across to the majority leader of the LCF Assembly, brother Roland Asoro. You can say they watch us now, and all that. We go like to get your own contribution for this matter because many people say yes, you just talk one thing, go bless, and only one person just talk. On that person, no day. When BCSA go counter that, it say, okay, you think correct or you know correct? Because try to reach them before, he say no, we come. But if you want to send us, I believe you are come. That's the majority, the chief whip. That one no free come. So you quite agree, say yes, we will get in touch with them and they will talk to us. So we will try to put call across to them. Once the call don't get through to our brother, majority leader of the house, Roland Asoro, we go ask him some questions that when BCSA concern the suspension or otherwise of Gordon Adinomo, the member when they represent of the Southwest constituency for the Edo State House of Assembly. So Adinomo, make we come back again to this matter when we say it concern this suspension. So now one thing when we say yes, okay, let's say we get our brother, we don't already get her now for line. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Who would they talk to?
Good morning.
Who would they talk to?
Good morning, my brother. How you doing?
We dey with the member when they represent the House Assembly for Ovia Southwest here, Gordon Adinomo.
Yes. This
and who would they talk to? May they tell us your name?
Yeah, this is Honorable Asoro Osadebanerula.
Okay.
Member representing Osado.
Okay. You the hear the things when our brother they talk, I don't know more they talk. So he said no get right to suspend them as a member of the house for what he say happen as he suspend them. Hello, Mr. Majority Leader. Hello.
Yeah, my brother. I thank you very well for the good work on the two. I'm talking to you now. I'm with you.
Will they hear you?
I said.
Will they hear you?
Yeah, my brother Adenomo, my very good friend.
Okay.
The matter where they discuss with you now for television, so the matter where we say internal affair of the house. But I surprised say they say my brother now he carry the matter go court, and as we dey talk so the matter don dey court. Matter we don dey court, we no get power to come dey educate on that matter. Okay. You understand? So now he don already carry us go court. Make judge do the right thing because now the judge wey the matter don dey in hand, now he go come tell us wetin e be. Because I know when I begin to talk put for matter wey just dey court. If na lawmaker, he know how the rule be. When matter don dey court like that, you go wait make court come out. Now he carry us go court. Matter wey the internal affair of the house, he go carry am go court. And moreover, many things we talk for the matter, no be wetin correct, no be wetin correct. You understand? So, such matter, make judge give decision first before we know what to do.
Okay, so by implication, I know that what TBC you talk about all the two in the talk since. Hello, majority leader. So you know that what you want to talk now for all the matter when we see in the talk since.
Hello?
I didn't ask you now whether you know anything you want to talk now for all the matter when the talk since.
No, because the matter dey court. I don't think on the talk for matter with the court. The rule.
Anyway, now the other leg now they say break comes so you say the matter already go court. The matter will be say dey for court now. Same person to the user. Maybe no talk. Make the court no call hold or say you go to the caller where they say the judge. So I don't know when they say you not member of us and you not lawmaker and the rest. You carry the house to go court.
That one, as you talk now, say matter dey court. I now will talk, tell you here, say, now you take him out, talk, say the matter dey court. Me now will talk here and say I go court or I not go court.
Okay.
But I will fight for my right. Question when you ask me, be say whether it dey rules. Now the rules where our house rules, now I talk go.
Okay.
The house rules not be me right hand. It's written in black and white.
Okay.
So now what they the rules, now I read, now I talk. Unless somebody will tell me, say, what you read for the rules is not correct.
But when they tell you say na internal matter, say as it be internal matter, it's supposed to settle internally. That's the question I asked me that time.
Internal matter, I see explain that to you. What did they call internal matter? If na internal matter, why I go day house for more than 8 months? Okay. I'm close to 8 months. I know they get benefits. Where they get?
Okay.
What it can be internal about that one? Why I go around, go to beg? I suppose beg for my benefits. Not because I didn't know. Now constituency now go now the constitution of this country now provide for House of Assembly.
Okay.
Now it provide for my representation of your Southwest. If you not like me, if you not even like my face at all, since they don't put me there, say now me they represent those people. Those people get right under the constitution. Now those people they suffer now. But if they get issues for that area, now me I suppose put them for the house, for the state. You know they come by chance. You understand? So it good at some point, the point where we don't do for Nigeria, now we have to move forward. All these semantics where we use, they deceive ourselves. At some point we need to move forward because Nigeria, like I tell people, we have to have a country before we will even belong to a political party. We have to have a country before you see you want to run for House of Assembly. You understand? So when things not there right, it is good we make all of us make we put on right. You see, members of the house, I not get quarrel with them.
When you talk about and say Asoro talk about and say he be your friend, be your brother, say no get problem with you.
I not get quarrel. You see, when we go Supreme Court, the day when Supreme Court pass judgment, Speaker, this Asoro and a lot of
other people,
presiding officers, they take court that day. You know, when they pass the judgment, the judge ordered them say make a speaker collect all the money when the guy don't.
The person will say take over.
When take over, you know, the person will occupy my seat illegally, and so
okay.
you understand. Now, as they just do now, the speaker and all of them, they just come out. Now I don't follow them. I say, Judge, don't pass judgment. I'm one of you people now. Why not just no one answer me? Now they run, they go. What did they tell me that day? They say, my brother, make you understand. This guy and our colleague. You know, we have to protect our colleague. Now I say, okay. They tell me there, they say, okay, since you don't be our colleague now, when you come, we'll still protect you. But why can't be say when we come now, the protection won't give person will not day again. Now don't you can't give me, we can't we'll be member now. And I'll come serve at your instance. And I'll come, may I can't look your face, they serve for, then the same way the people send you, me, you can't represent them. Now so now them, my people still send me, I can't represent them. You understand, my brother? So if the truth has to be said, the truth has to be said.
Okay, you know, Wahala, so maybe at the time the waka they go, they know the things that when we say it they happen. Thank you when we say you come again. Last one, when we say you want to tell us now before you come out. Especially you say my brother also will talk plenty, but he said yes, you know, one join issues with you for this matter now because according to that, I say the matter go court, they court. And matter when we say they court, say no want me talk put. And they say which one the last one when we say yes, you get to talk now before we let you go.
What did I get to talk now? We say yes. House matter are supposed to be internal matter. You're not supposed to reach the stage when I'll go to beg or when I'll go to write letter, say, "Move now, pay me my benefit." You're not supposed to reach like that. If you reach like that, then something is wrong, and that is why we get 3 arms of government. We get the executive, we get the judiciary, we get the legislative.
Well, before we go far, I want to find out, the Supreme Court made they bring you back and made they pay you all your entitlements. Because never talk of that one. Man. They never pay you the entitlements now.
And that
because
one
you talk
now,
about vehicle and the rest now.
You see,
they
that
don't
one
give you
now,
the vehicle, they don't give you anything.
That one now, I know if you talk about that one, because that one they, I say that one would they.
Go there where before you know if you talk about.
Go there where I know if you talk about now.
Okay.
You know that one because that one Supreme Court judgment.
Okay.
That one they were supposed to. So I know if you talk, see what they go on for that one, but. God will take care of
that one.
Of that
so the
one.
last one now before we come on, so you talk about 3 arms of government. Say they get 3 arms of government.
3 arms of government. If you look the judgment where that judge give for Moagege, if you study and well, he say one right where you know if you deny person, that be the right to go court. He say it doesn't matter whether any agreement where you sign with anybody, if that human being get right
to go seek redress for court.
Seek redress for court. He said, "I be one right." Say so. If you say I'm again do this or you go court, say you feel talk about any other thing, but not talk. Say why you go court, because there's a reason why Constitution established court. So this matter, my brother, I believe say not supposed to reach like this, but why it can't reach like this? Now I be waiting myself and nothing understand.